Kids, today we're opening up the PJ Masks Deluxe figure set, 16 pieces. And Christian is going to describe for us the names of all the characters. Go ahead, Christian.
Das ist Tiggy's Pride. And that's Nonogor. And that's a lizard. And that's Gecko. And that's our leg. And that's a board. And that's his or like ninjas, ninja Linnos. And that's Cowboy. And that's Romeo. And that's his cousin.
Let's flip it over.
Now.
Tell us the other names.
And that's a kite.
And that's
Lizard.
his name is Lionel. What is this?
A Sticky's fly.
Where's the birdie?
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
And can you name the rest of the names?
Boom, boom,
You ha-
boom.
What are their names?
That's a Sticky's blood. And a Sticky. And that's a cat. And that's Rhino. And that's Gecko. And that's Gecko. And that's Cowboy. And that's Romeo. And that's our wreck.
Now it's time to unbox. That'll be fun.
The time for okay.
Who's that you're pulling out, Christian?
Romeo.
Yeah.
And his hands can move.
Oh, okay. Let's show everybody that his hands can move. We can't see. No, from here. There you go. All right.
Oh, his cowboy and his arms can move. And his toe can move. And his Luna girl, the bad girl, and her hands can move.
And what is that you're pulling out?
Got it out.
A little stubborn. We'll get those later. All right, get the other. Okay.
And his night ninja, do. And his night ninja's little, ninja Lunos. We have to put them together again. And here's our leg. And her arms can move. And Okay, can move. But it can fly. And here's our next boy's end. Fly, fly, fly. Like, and here's Gecko. Oh, his arms can move. Not his tail, see? I'm no what do I do? How do you get this out?
Those will take some time. Alright kids, that was the unboxing of the PJ Masks Deluxe Figure Set, 16 pieces. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be adding more toy reviews soon. Goodbye.